Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale FreshBooks for invoicing, full guide step by step clearly. To scale FreshBooks for invoicing, start by logging into your FreshBooks account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as this is your main hub for managing invoices. Next, navigate to the Invoices tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Create New Invoice to begin drafting your first invoice. Fill in the client details, ensuring you select the correct customer from your contacts. If the client is new, you can add them directly by entering their information. Next, input your service or product descriptions. Specify quantities and rates for each item clearly. FreshBooks supports multiple currencies, so choose the correct one for your client. Keep track of billable hours by selecting the relevant time entries if applicable. Set a due date for the invoice to encourage timely payments. Double-check all the information for accuracy before finalizing. You can customize the invoice by adding your company logo and selecting a template. Next, preview the invoice to ensure everything appears as intended. Once satisfied, click on the Send button to deliver the invoice to your client. Consider automating recurring invoices for clients with Explore the Recurring Invoices feature under the Invoices tab to set this up. Adjust the frequency, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly, based on your agreement. Utilize the Payment Terms section to define your payment policy clearly. Keep track of all sent invoices through the Invoice Aging report. Regularly review this report to follow up on overdue payments. Use FreshBooks mobile app to manage invoices on the go. Integrate FreshBooks with payment gateways to offer online payment options. Encourage clients to pay directly through the invoice for convenience. Monitor your cash flow using the Reports feature to gain insights. Utilize the dashboard analytics to track which invoices are being paid promptly. Customize invoice reminders to automate follow-ups for overdue payments. Adjust your invoicing strategy based on client payment behavior. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.